social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, you use in mobile,
Yeah.
Facebook, Twitter. So Twitter only 140 characters when you type. Okay? So Twitter can be used to predict stock market behavior. Twitter can be used. So Twitter is a social media tool which provides enormous amount of data, textual data. Okay? Market sentiments. Using behavioral economics, market sentiments. Market sentiment drives stock market. So market sentiments can be analyzed using Twitter data. Why? It is given by people. So Pramartha developed a sentiment analytics tool for an Australian client, for a fund manager. There is a fund manager, he is taking data from different sources, and we develop a sentiment analytics tool for that fund manager, including Twitter, where Twitter feeds is used to analyze sentiments and mood of stock market of Australian Stock Exchange, ASX. So a correlation. So bad sentiment, market falls. Good sentiment, market goes up. Some correlation, but not for long term. Short term, maybe 1 week, maybe 3 days. And also not stock by stock, market by market for now. But more research on stock by stock, large cap stock. Because somebody tweets bad, let's say about NTT. So sentiment down of NTT. All other newspapers given by reporters, Twitter by customers. So sentiment can be captured. Now here, actuarial analytics and text analytics can be used. What actuaries did we use? What actuaries knowledge? Bayesian statistics, naive-based algorithm. It is all used in statistical model of general insurance. If you see general insurance syllabus, Japanese actuarial exam, statistical models, Bayesian techniques, naive-based algorithm, lot of distributions, all those things are used. Same was used when you are developing the software. And text data comes, positive words one side, negative words one side, frequency of positive words, frequency of negative words, then do a distribution, then analyze, and later on say, okay, positive mood, negative mood of masses, millions of tweet, not 1 or 2, millions of tweet, okay, and analyze using machine, then give output whether mood is positive, negative, and continuous real time. It is real time data which is coming. So this is a novel technique developed by Pramartha for our client in Australia. We want to explore new possibilities of bringing cutting-edge actuarial analytics. In 17th century, if Edmund Halley and various other people who are doing astrophysics did not think of those applications, field of risk management wouldn't have been developed. Today, we all, worldwide, no country barrier, worldwide we can think of new applications. Japan has different problems. Africa has different problems. South America has different problems. But actuaries are there everywhere. Limited number. But each actuary can be involved in various things. That is why I said actuary, not only appointed actuary graduating to not only chief risk officer, but actuary graduating to business scientist. So, lot of opportunities. So, we want to explore today. Pramartha has partnered with Yoshida and Company to bring novel data science and artificial intelligence technology consulting to various industries like insurance, banking, and even research firms. We don't know how we will be partnered. We don't know. But we are very happy you all came to listen, because this is a new beginning of relationship. Only because when we have discussion, lot of questions, no problem, we will ask questions now. But it is a beginning. We started 10 years back, we are still alive. That is why we may be alive. but we want to grow along with everybody, including Japan. So that is why we want to do a lot of joint projects, and each project can be small project or large project, no problem. But we want to explore new, because intellectual capital not depreciating, it's appreciating. Question and answer session now. Thank you.